Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Broke Misfits. We're gonna have probably a two-part video, maybe not, maybe we're gonna have just two things all in one video. But let me tell you what today's plan is. This is CJ's Excursion, and we're gonna do a little front end fender swap to make it look like the next generation. CJ's already been taking this apart. It's mostly apart right now. Apparently we're cutting here, and we're gonna put the whole other front end to here, so it all just kind of bolts on, all the fenders and stuff, and it's gonna look like you know, like the '08 style. Oh, here's the fender, or here's the front bumper. So it's gonna be like that front end style. And then, and then look at this. CJ's been painting away all the new emblems. And let me take you out to my truck so we can talk about part 2 of that. There she is. So there's CJ. The second thing that is on today's agenda is to put the leveling kit on my truck here and do the wheels and tires. And we just went and dropped off the wheels and tires, so you guys will see that. But we went and dropped them off to get mounted and everything and balanced. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on the leveling kit first, and then jump on the Excursion, and then maybe a little party time tonight. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Instagram, check out Xander's Instagram, check out CJ's Instagram, just check it all out. So let's get going. Okay, we're live. What do you want me to grab? That side?
We have to get, this has to come up
and
off these pins, or the bolts, and this stuff has to go through it.
Oh, that's easy.
The AC, and be careful.
What about this though?
That comes with this, but it can be ripped up.
And I think the bottom radiator is plugged into the.
What's that?
But you don't want
like the. Because if I'm trying to take it off.
the radiators. So the radiator's got to come up and out.
Oh, up. Yeah, because it just sits on those little things
those
now.
Little rubbers.
There it goes. Okay. Okay.
Then.
Okay. That's a sound success.
Yeah. Hang on. I see. Yep, that's just gotta go. It should be. Should.
Okay, so I'm up and off. Are you up and out of the body mount?
Yeah,
I feel like we're up and out.
Alright, so
I'm not sure.
hold on, I just gotta slide.
I really wanted to step there.
The ABS over here is catching it right now.
Okay.
Okay, ABS is free. So these coolers have to come out.
Oh, hang on, I kind of see something right here. This is.
So
That's. Can I get rid of that? I think this. See this? It's like loop. May I cut it?
Yeah,
okay.
It's not going back in.
Okay.
I don't think.
Okay. I think that was, yeah.
Okay, so
one of the
now,
things.
Oh, the radiator's still catching it here.
Doctor.
Oh, you know what?
You see something?
That's
You
well.
want,
That's
you want this back this way?
well.
You guys need to go up if you want this to.
Well,
or never mind.
we've got
Okay.
Something's caught over here.
That's tucked and clear. This seems like, is all this connected to this?
No, that shouldn't be.
Okay.
This should.
So maybe like we're hitting here where your toe points are.
Yeah.
So we need to
Well,
go
I
like
think
one
the
in at a
radiator-
time.
The radiator's still stuck over here on this side. On it. I'm just trying to get it pushed back.
I think if we bring this, that needs to go in that way and this needs to come out. If, or vice versa.
All right, here, hold on. I got the radiator moved.
Oh, she's coming free over here.
I guess it is
Over here.
sensor.
Oh, come on, doctor. Okay.
All right, I'm stuck on something over here. Guys.
Okay.
So,
Gentle. Yeah. Feels like it's.
radiator. So it's stuck on the radiator.
Okay.
Right here.
You're gonna lift it
Oh,
up?
and these lines here.
Okay. Pause.
Power steering light.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
hold on, we gotta put it back.
Put it back on. Okay. Where do we want this? Outside?
No.
What?
We'll put it over here. Because we have to compare this
Okay.
one and that.
Yep. I have to break out the tape measure. Yep. Easy money. So that's the new one.
Yes.
And you're just gonna compare it? That's it?
Yes. Basically, I want to see. We set this here. Oh, that looks like that's gonna drop right in place, boys.
Yeah. Looks exactly the same.
So,
That's weird, so they did away completely with
yeah.
that style.
And you know what? The nice thing is it's gonna make it so much
And
easier.
that makes sense why it's a little bit higher.
Okay, I had to record this because I love what you're doing here. Slotted, gonna slide in there. Say everything you just said again.
So this will slide in there. We're gonna cut this. This will slide in. We'll cut this part down so it'll get welded to the bottom, and we'll pie cut this back here so we can fold it over.
Yeah.
And weld it to here.
That's so sweet. I love it. That's like a very good way of doing that.
Let's do it.
It's like the height of what it's supposed to be, because that one we know is too high as it is.
Yeah. But this one, yeah, this one I can fit my whole finger on there.
Yeah.
But I think that one we should be able to pull up, right? No, we'll have to cut more. So do we do that, or do we pull this one back off and cut this side and lower it?
I'm gonna go back doing that.
Yeah, you'd rather lower this side. I feel like.
It's getting serious now. Welds are happening. Gap looks really nice. Jenny's messing with your. Oh, you didn't even have it on.
Yes, I was I turned yes.
Well, also your wire speed was at like 46.
No, that's my dad for not welding sheet metal. 16.5 and 190.
Yeah. That should be fine.
All day.
Yeah, so right about here,
Right.
because then by the time we fold it back, it should
Right. That
come
inch
close to
in
that.
Up there, down there. Got it. Tie her together.
All right, CJ, look at that. Shaking the whole
It ain't
truck.
going nowhere.
That looks sweet. Oh yeah. All right, now we just gotta do that on the other side. That's no big deal.
Paint on it.
Yeah, that looks sweet.